Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at exercise 4.292 from page 248. So here we're asked to find 3/4 of 1/3. So essentially we're trying to do a multiplication problem visually and show it with this chart here. So we want to find 3/4 of 1/3. Well, first we need to shade 1/3. So I'm going to shade one column here. So what I'm shading is 1/3 of this figure. And then we need to find out, well, what is 3/4 of that? Well, if I were to shade 3/4 of this figure, I would shade 3 of the 4 rows. So the part where we have the overlap is these 3 pieces here. We've got, let me try another color here so it will be a little bit more easy to see. This piece, and this piece. So that is 3 out of a total in this grid of 12, which is the same thing as 1/4. So this is the visual example of what we're doing when we're multiplying. Essentially, in order to find this answer, we just need to multiply 3/4 times 1/3. Whenever we're finding a fraction of something, that means that we need to multiply. So really the problem that we're doing is 3/4 times 1/3. So we can multiply numerators across the top. 3 times 1 is 3. Denominators across the bottom. 4 times 3 is 12. And then this fraction can be reduced or simplified to 1/4. The other way of doing the same problem, 3/4 times 1/3, would be to notice that we can cancel the 3's. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we multiply across the top. 1 times 1 is 1. And across the bottom, 4 times 1 is 4 to get our answer of 1/4. So this whole visual part is just to provide an understanding of what we're actually doing when we multiply fractions. For some people, they like to understand the conceptual basis for the steps that we're doing. It's not absolutely necessary that you understand this visual part, but it's provided as an option for you. But what you do need to know is this process. When we're multiplying fractions, we multiply numerators across the top, denominators across the bottom, and of course we always need to simplify whenever possible.